Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing a replica of the 2017 Kawasaki Ninja Z-1000R, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Welly. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This 2017 Kawasaki Z-1000R replica comes mounted on a base plate with the model name on it and in a signature Kawasaki window type box, which is the standard boxing by Welly for the most part. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the packaging and get this thing open. So, to begin with, my first thoughts about this 118 scale 2017 Kawasaki Z-1000R diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details which are standard with the Welly motorcycle replicas for the most part. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and looks exactly like its real life counterpart. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale diecast motorcycle specs. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the features and functionality of this 118 scale Kawasaki Z-1000R diecast replica. And please do let me know as to what are your favorite features regarding this awesome diecast replica in the comments below. And stay tuned for some fun facts on the Kawasaki Z-1000R coming up. So let's go ahead and take a look. Well, by the looks of it, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica of the Kawasaki Z-1000R, and I'm glad that I got this model to add to my 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica and a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a Kawasaki enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications and the best buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed Kawasaki Z-1000R replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this amazing Kawasaki motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Kawasaki Z-1000R coming up. The Kawasaki Z-1000 is a 4-cylinder motorcycle introduced in 2003 with street fighter or standard styling. The Z-1000 was first introduced in 1977, superseding the previous 903cc capacity Z900. Kawasaki introduced the Z-900 motorcycle in 1972 as the first of the Kawasaki Z series with 4 cylinders, dual head camshafts and 903cc, followed by a 1015cc version designated Z-1000. In 2003, Kawasaki introduced a completely revamped 30-year anniversary edition of the Z-1000. It used a modified engine from the Kawasaki ZX-9R and was bored out of 2.2mm, resulting in bigger displacement, more low RPM torque, and only a slightly power loss of 4 bhp from the original ZX-9. In 2004, Kawasaki released the Z-1000's smaller brother, the Z750. In 2007, Kawasaki released a new Z-1000. In October 2009, Kawasaki unveiled the 2010 Z-1000. It had a new aluminum frame, digital instrument panel, bodywork, and engine. And for further information on the Kawasaki Z-1000R, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing 2017 Kawasaki Z-1000R replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Kawasaki diecast replica. And kindly continue to support D-Nation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And in case you missed out on our previous episodes, please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support D-Nation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.